welcome back to my channel. Now, I know it's been forever since I posted anything. It's been almost a year now. And the last time you saw me, I probably had hair up the hair, and it has grown a lot by now. But I'm going to be doing a chop because although I do love the color and I love the look, it's very beachy, it's very much my vibes, I just really don't like the feeling of my hair. Now, because I have bleached it, it has ruined some of the integrity of the curls and everything that I really want my hair to be. So I'm going to chop it, and it's going to be like around here, and yeah, so let's go. Alright, so now we're just gonna part the hair in half and then quickly detangle it to make sure there aren't any knots. So now you're going to take a strand of hair and you're going to measure it down the side of your face and a little bit beneath the chin. So for me, that's going to indicate the shortest layer, so I can't cut shorter than that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side just to kind of measure a middle point of the shortest layers. I'm going to cut at an angle to give it a little transition, and then you're just going to take all the rest of the hair and just cut all the way through. You gotta commit. So the same will be done here. You're gonna cut diagonally for a little bit to transition, and right after that you're just gonna go ahead and commit to the chop and just measure where you want to cut it and then just go for it. Done. Now I'm gonna go in to do a few little tweaks to cut anything that's sticking out, but keep in mind that curly hair does have shrinkage. It will bounce back, so don't go too crazy. Now you're gonna notice that with this chop, it does add a little V in the back. I have had the haircut where it's shorter in the back than in the front, but that does add 6 months to growing time to curly hair, and that's not what I want. I do want my hair to start growing immediately, so this is why the V in the back won't bother me.